Hi curl friends, I'm naturally Shauniece, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Before we start today's tutorial, well, it's really gonna be like a vlog / tutorial. But anyways, before we start this, I just wanted to say, if you are an official Curl Friend member and you've been rocking with me from the beginning, thank you so much for continuing to stick with me on this journey, watch the videos, and support me on YouTube and Instagram and through my blog. Now, if you are a new Curl Friend member, hello, welcome to the Curl Friend family. Do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss any content updates from me. And while you're at it, let's go ahead and subscribe to my blog here and follow me on IG. Today is the first day that I'm home. It is real pandemonium out here with the coronavirus. Everything is shutting down, schools are closed, activities are canceled. So guess what? I actually have time to film new content for you guys. Yay! So today I am going to be walking you through how I'm going to change my hair from being blow dried and being in braids and bring back the curls, okay? So to do that, we're gonna start off with a pre-shampoo. Then I'm gonna clean my bathroom while we're pre-shampooing. You'll get a little snippet of that. And then we're gonna come back and actually shampoo the hair. We're gonna go through a deep conditioning and then we are going to style. All right, so without further ado, let's get started.
As I mentioned before, I'm starting off with blow dried hair. For some, this may be a really scary process to blow dry your hair because you don't know if your curls are gonna come back. But I'm gonna let you know that with this process I'm showing you today, your curls will be sure to come back. So first, we're always gonna start off with a pre-poo. I love a pre-poo, especially after blow drying my hair because it coats the hair, it puts hydration back into your hair, which is very important because when you blow dry your hair, hydration is escaping from the heat. So when you use a pre-poo like this, it's just really adding in moisture. It's gonna make it so much easier to detangle your hair, as well as locking in moisture before you shampoo, because what does shampoo do? Shampoo strips your hair again of moisture. My pre-poo of choice for today is African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water pre-poo. I love this because aloe nourishes the hair while coconut water strengthens the hair. So what I'm doing here is carefully sectioning out my hair, applying the pre-poo from roots to my ends to each section of the hair, never ever forgetting my scalp, as well as the ends of my hair.
Instructions on the bottle say to let this sit in your hair for 15 to 20 minutes so that the product can really work before you detangle. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. One addition to the instructions is what I do. I really probably leave it in there for a few minutes longer. So today is probably gonna be about 30 minutes because I'm going to go and clean my bathroom. Multitasking is key. I am back from letting this pre-poo work and cleaning my bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed the bathroom cleaning, the shenanigans. So here we are. We're gonna take this plastic cap off and I'm gonna use a comb to straighten out and detangle. Well, not straighten.
Detangling your hair is such an important process to keeping your hair healthy. I always start at my ends and work my way up, never forcing the comb through knots and kinks. And the results are what you see here. Minimum shedding due to proper detangling technique and the use of the pre-poo.
Now that the pre-poo is all in my hair and I properly detangled, I'm going to rinse the pre-poo out and prepare to wash my hair. I'm back. All right, so the Pre-poo is now rinsed out of my hair. I put a plastic cap on because I'm not about that shower life. Here we are here. Okay, here's the curls. They're coming back. All right.
Cleansing the scalp and your hair is one of the most important steps and sets you up for great product application. Your products won't stick if your hair is filthy, and that's the end of it. So for today, I'm using Creme of Nature, clay and charcoal, activated charcoal, Rosol, bentonite clay, and aloe vera juice, which gets my hair plenty clean and prepped for products. Also, don't forget to cleanse your scalp.
Wow, look at the difference. Come through, Creme of Nature shampoo. Come through, so much better. You can see now the curl is really coming back. Yay. Okay, now what we're going to do is deep condition our hair. And you guys know I love a good deep conditioner, but the key to my deep conditioning is using the steamer. Okay, so
I'm continuing with the use of Creme of Nature's Clay and Charcoal collection. Notice when I'm applying my conditioner, I apply by separating out my hair. Everything I do is in sections because this allows for the product to penetrate the hair. Notice I'm really focusing on my ends and the middle of my hair because that's where I lack the moisture.
I'm gonna sit underneath the steamer, like I said, for 25 minutes. Something new with the steamer that I'm trying this time that I haven't tried before is putting my hair all the way up. I heard and read online that if you steam your hair, to pull it all the way up so that all the hair gets the maximum steam effect. So this is something, again, I've never done before. I usually wear it down, but to me, it kind of makes sense that you would pin your hair up because when you sit underneath the steamer, it weighs it. The hair is like really long, so the longer your hair is, all of this down here, and for me, right here, is not getting steamed, and the ends of my hair are super important, right? Because it's the oldest part of the hair shaft. So I'm gonna pin it up so that the steam is actually hitting the ends of my hair. All of this is fine because it's going to be underneath the hood itself, all right? So let's go steam.
I absolutely love steaming my hair. The benefits of steaming are great, okay? So the main benefit to steaming is that it opens up your pores and it opens up your hair shaft, similar to when you steam your face, right? So when you steam your face, your pores are open, therefore allowing your esthetician to deeply cleanse your face, your skin from deep within, right? And this is the same way it works with your hair and moisture.
I'm back from the steamer. My hair and curls are back. Don't you guys love it when I sing? Anyhow, okay, so let's get into the results of the steamer. Here we go. Curls are back. Color, look at that color. It still looks super good. I'm loving it. Now we're gonna bring back the fro here. And I'm going to do a twist out today. I was really going to do a roller wrap, but I'm not set up for that today.
I want to take a step back and continue to talk about steaming. So when you steam your hair shaft is open, your pores are open, which allows for water, which is the main ingredient to keeping your hairs hydrated. When your hair is hydrated, you can have popping curls. That means you have water in your hair, which allows product to basically combine with the water, therefore penetrating your hair, and that's what allows your hair to be moisturized. It's not the products, it's the water that allows your hair to be moisturized that takes and transports the products to your actual hair, okay? So what we're doing here is applying a leave-in, a cream, and an oil to this twist out. This is the combo that I like to use. I'm again sectioning out my hair. I apply a leave-in, then I apply a cream, and then I apply an oil, and then I twist. Notice I use a brush when I'm doing this right before I twist so that your hair can be smooth, right? That's what you want, nice smooth twist. So be sure to brush before. Notice that while you'll see product dripping off, you really won't see an excess of water. I really like to make sure my hair is pretty damp, not soaking wet when I'm doing my twist. If soaking wet twists are good for you and that's what works for your hair, use that. Okay, so to take down your hair, you always want to start with oil. Oil your fingertips, start at the ends of your hair, separating out each section and twist. And it's as simple as that. I go through my hair and I start from the roots. I start from the roots and then I go all the way down and I keep untwisting and separating. It's important to use oil so that your hair doesn't get frizzy when you're untwisting and unraveling your hair. It's also really important to note that you really want your twist to be all the way dry when you're untwisting your hair. Why? Because when your hair is damped, it's not going to get that definition that you want. So make sure your twists are dry. To help unseparate out your sections, because if you look closely, you can see that my parts are still showing. I like to take a pick and I pick out in between sections. This is going to allow your hair to add volume if you like big hair, as well as get those separations to be not so separated. And just like that, we have another bomb twist out. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave your questions in the comment box so I can answer. Bye, curl friends.